Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change windshield wipers on your Hyundai Genesis. First, ensure your vehicle is off. Many Genesis models have a service mode for wipers. Activate it by turning the car on, then off, and within 5 seconds, push and hold the wiper stalk up for 3 seconds. This positions the arms for easy access. Gather your new blades and a soft towel to protect the windshield. Now, let's remove the old blades. At the point where the wiper blade connects to the arm, you'll find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly while sliding the old blade downward to detach it. It might require a gentle wiggle. Once removed, carefully lower the wiper arm back towards the windshield, ensuring it doesn't snap down and potentially damage the glass. With the old blade off, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely attached. Give the blade a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly in place and won't detach during operation. Repeat this for the other side. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. To exit service mode, simply start your car and push the wiper stalk down once. Finally, turn on your car and spray some washer fluid onto the windshield. Activate the wipers to ensure they clean effectively and smoothly, providing clear visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.